We are from Kendra Vidyalaya Silvassa studying in class 10. We are presenting a project on the title of Vocal for Local, and its subtitle is Step Towards Organic and Healthy Farming. Our project is inspected by Mr. J.R. Patel. Our group has 5 members: Aarti Chaudhary, Jia Patel, Gauri Deve, Shrujita Rama and myself, Sakshi Dubey. We can see the impact of using highly chemical fertilizer in our farmlands. Day by day the soil quality is degraded and the decomposers which are present in the soil are not present in that amount which are present in the last few years. There are many problems by using highly chemical fertilizer. So such as small scale farmers did not buy highly and costly fertilizer, as well as if they buy their farmlands are degraded and the soil quality and groundwater level also decreased. And we can see water level, aquatic life aquatic life and marine life are both in also danger. And then for that we can found the solution for it. Firstly, we can see the advantage of using manure and natural fertilizer, not chemical fertilizer. Manure and natural fertilizer both are rich in nutrition, while natural fertilizer is more rich in nutrition as compared to manure. It is so, while natural fertilizer, this fertilizer works as like as chemical fertilizer. This fertilizer is useful for our farmlands, and for this fertilizer we can see many raw materials, and we can use many type of raw material which are available in local levels. First, weeds. There are unwanted plants that grow in our fields with crops, but some weeds are important or necessary for the plant growth because some weeds contain some essential nutrients which are necessary for the plant growth. नीम केक सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट एंड रॉ मटेरियल इज नीम केक, जो कि हमारे घर के आजू बाजू हमें आसानी से मिल जाता है। पहले नीम के पत्तों को हम लोग सुखा के इसकी केक टाइप, जो कि काउडंग को हम लोग पहले जैसे एशियन टाइम में जैसे काउडंग को केक बनाते थे, वैसे ही नीम का केक बना के हम लोग इसे फर्टिलाइजर में यूज करेंगे। और ये नीम केक इंसेक्टिसाइड एंड पेस्टिसाइड दोनों की तरह काम करता है, और ये हमारे जो ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल है उसमें भी मदद करता है, जिससे कि ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल जो एक सस्टेनेबल लेवल पे रहे। देन थर्ड रॉ मटेरियल इज रॉक। जो रॉक है वो हमें आसानी से हर एक जगह जैसे कि हिल स्टेशंस एंड बहुत हमारे घर के आजू बाजू में मिल जाते हैं। बट इन दैट प्रोजेक्ट वी यूज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ रॉक नोन एज जिप्सम। और जिप्सम में हमें बहुत सारे न्यूट्रिशन जो कि एक प्लांट की ग्रोथ के लिए ज़रूरी है वो हमें मिलते हैं, जैसे कि सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड 2%, फिर कैल्शियम 22% एंड सल्फर 18%। एंड सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ रॉक इज ग्रेनाइट, जो कि हमें बहुत इजीली मिल जाता है। और ग्रेनाइट जो है हमें हिल साइड पे मिलता है, और जो जिप्सम है वो हमें सी साइड पे मिलता है, या फिर जो बीच होती है वहाँ पे हमें जिप्सम मिलता है। और ग्रेनाइट में पोटेशियम, जो कि एक एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिशन है फॉर द प्लांट ग्रोथ, वो हमें मिलता है 5.5%। एंड थर्ड रॉ मटेरियल which we use in that fertilizer is mustard. Mustard, India is the largest producer of mustard. We can see the types of mustard such as yellow mustard and black mustard. Both are useful in fertilizer, which is natural fertilizer. Mustard contains many types of nutrition in that, such as nitrogen, which is essential, as a decomposer also fixes nitrogen in the soil, and that mustard gives us nitrogen directly to the plant. And we can see the applications that only 10% of mustard we can add in our fertilizer, because there are some precautions of using such raw materials in a specific quantity. Then we use vermicompost, and after that jelly, which is not useful. And after that we conclude that we can take one step toward the organic farming and make our future with full of greenery, because from ancient time in India, agriculture sector is most important sector. Thank you.